Phoenix came storming back in the final quarter to beat rain or shine, 103-97, and solidify its playoff position on Wednesday night in the PBA Governors Cup at the Cuneta Astrodome. The Fuelmasters came storming back from 7 points down early in the fourth quarter to climb to solo fourth place on a 7-3 win-loss record while dealing rain or shine its third loss in a row, slipping to 2-7 overall. Phoenix strengthened its bid for a top-4 finish and a twice-to-beat advantage in the quarterfinals, but coach Louie Alas wasn't happy that the team allowed rain or shine to lead by as many as 16 points early. Hindi maganda ang attitude nila. Hindi dapat lumamang ganun kalaki. Maraming carelessness at unforced turnovers. Parang gustong manalo sa shootout instead of defensively, said Alas. Eugene Phelps had 18 points and 20 rebounds, while Calvin Abueva also had 18 points and 12 rebounds for Phoenix, which was still trailing 87-80 in the early stages of the final quarter. The two combined in a 6-0 run that closed the gap before RJ Jazzle nailed the go-ahead three, 91-90, with 4:45 left in the fourth. Loravilla finished with 13 points, including a three-pointer that sealed the win at 98-93. The former LaSalle standout had 7 points in the final period alone. The loss spoiled another big scoring night for Chris Yu, who reset his career high for the second time in a week with 24 points, also in the Passe venue. Rain or shine, which only got 4 points from Terrence Watson, led 71-55 before fading in the end. The scores. Phoenix 103, Abueva 18, Phelps 18, Wright 17, Ravilla 13, Chua 12, Perkins 10, Jazzle 7, Intel 3, Wilson 3, Kramer 2, Alalino 0. Rain or shine 97, 224, Yap 14, Ponferrada 11, Ahin Missy 10, Borbrin 9, Nambatak 8, Norwood 7, Washington 6, Watson 4, Dakwio 2, Makis 2, Dakwio 2, Torres 0.